So today's problem is make the string great. So we have given a string which consists the lower and uppercase of the English letters. So if two adjacent character si and si plus 1, if si is lowercase and si plus 1 is same letter but in uppercase or vice versa, means if si is lowercase and its next adjacent character is in uppercase, or si in uppercase and its next adjacent character is in lowercase, then it is a bad string. So we have to remove these adjacent characters to make the string great. So we have to remove two adjacent character where the letter is same but cases are different. Like in this example, we can see E, small e and capital E are same letter but different cases. So we will remove it and make the string great. In this example, you can see we have multiple adjacent bad elements like small b capital B. First we remove small b capital B, then we get like this. You can see small a small c capital C. Small a capital A is a bad element, so we will remove it and same like this. So we can solve this problem using stack. We can also recursively solve this problem, but the best approach and traditional approach is to solve this problem using stack. So we will put every character and we will check if this character equal to the top element of the stack. If the difference between top of the stack and this character is 32, means the lowercase and uppercase has a difference of 32. So if the difference is 32, then we will pop from the stack. Otherwise we insert this character into our stack. In this way we can solve the problem. We can use Java collection of a stack, but we will make our own stack. So we'll create a character type array. We named it as stack new. Its size will be the equal to the maximum size equal to the our string dot length. We will initialize top equal to -1. So we iterate a loop from index 0 to length of the string. We will get the first element of the string in each iteration. So we will check if top is greater than or equal to 0. So this is condition for popping the element from the stack. So we will check this condition, and we will also check that math dot abs. We are checking that the top value and ch difference is 32. Math.abs convert the negative value into the positive value, so we can directly check this. If the difference is 32, means they are same letters but into the different cases. So we will pop the element from the top. So we cannot delete element from the array. So we will move the pointer top -1. So if this is not our case, means another letter that can be the adjacent element is given. So we will add element into our stack. So our process is nearly done. We will create a string builder to insert the element of the stack into string builder. So we can also do this by using normal strings, but it is taking so much time. So we create a string builder. Then we will add element into our string builder. So we will iterate loop from 0 to top. and append the element into the string builder. And after this process, we will return the string. So we do not find, sorry, this is the typo mistake. Our solution is accepted. So for C, we created a stack of the size of string length, and we initialize the top of the stack is -1. So we will iterate from I equal to 0 to length of the string, and if the top is greater than or equal to 0 means top is not empty, stack is not empty, and the difference between the two adjacent element is 32 means they are same letters but into different cases. So we will remove the element from the top means we will make top -1 on else condition. If they are not adjacent, then we will add the character into our stack. After this, we create a new string builder to add the character of the stack into a string form, and we return new str.string. So we will submit it and we see the result. So you can see 1 millisecond, 100% user. So this is very good approach. Thank you.